Hi ladies, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be giving you a mini tour of my online Etsy shop. For my boutique bows, the processing time is 3 to 5 business days, not including weekends or holidays. But for my ribbon and raisin planners and accessories, those ship out a little faster since my shop is right next to my house and I'm able to go in there and get your orders ready, packaged, and ready to ship. On Sundays though, mail doesn't run, so you have to wait till Monday morning. So let's get started. Ooh, okay. So on this side, you have the selection bar. So you click on the boutique bows. All my boutique bows will appear. These are the ones that I have available at the moment. Alright, so we go down and click to ribbon and raisin planners. They're all in one section. Some special ribbon, like right here. There's multiple designs in the album that you can choose from, and the way you select them, they're all numbered. So if you want number 7, which is this one right here, you just click on number 7 and add the quantities you are needing and check out. Let me show you one more. Like this one right here is another special ribbon. Here we have these, and you can just choose the number that you are looking for, and that's it. So here are my bow kits. They all come with alligator clips, 2 raisin planners, some rhinestones, and a pearl embellishment. Rhinestone section. Look at this, bling bling bling. I have some bundles down here. My MK bows. Here are my charms. These are perfect for bracelet or earrings or necklaces. Headbands. I know I need to add more headbands. I just been so busy with orders, ladies, but I will definitely be making some soon. Here are my onesies. My Swarovski crystal bow, flowers. Look at this MK mold. Ooh, so beautiful. Check this one out. Yes, and look at this one. She did a good job. I love it. So my last one is my bottle cap images. I will be adding some more images to the section. These are pre-cut, so you don't get a file. Oh, and thank you so much to all you beautiful ladies that have left me a review. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you see a specific ribbon on my Instagram or Facebook, message me if you can't find it and I will send you the link.